In this lesson, we're going to see how to make a split view in Safari on an iPad. So you can see two pages at once. First, you're going to need to have a modern iPad that's produced recently in the last 2 or 3 years. It's the only one that doesn't have enough memory to handle a task. And unfortunately, mine doesn't have the capacity. It's too old. So I put together some instructions that would allow you to do this from screenshots from more modern iPads. So if you follow these instructions, you should be able to view 2 screens at once if your iPad's up to it. So here we go. Remember, you can stop at any time if this is too fast. First step, change the orientation of a Safari web page. Make sure it's landscape, side to side basically. It makes it a lot easier to change to a split screen. So it's going to look something like that. And then you're ready to split the screen. There's more than one way to do this. To open a second page, you can have 2 tabs open. They look like that at the top of the page. So you have to open a second page. And Safari remembers the 2 tabs. So they're both open. And if you click on a link on one of the pages, you need to have a link on the page to do this, you get these options. And the older ones don't have open and split view. This one does. So you select that, and you're going to have 2 pages. They'll jump side by side. And then you can scroll independently, one and then the other, which is really handy. If you want to make them go back to one page, just tap the little X on the left side. Second way to split the screen is to swipe the second tab either to the right or to the left of the end of the screen. There are 2 tabs open. The last way is to open a blank new screen. You can do this by simply touching the Option button in the top right corner, and it will open up a second screen, usually just blank. You can use your favorites. So pick your favorite method. Either open the split view, swiping the second tab to the right or the left, or holding down the Option button when the 2 tabs are showing. And then you can see 2 pages at the same time. Hope this is helpful.